Hello, my name's Laurel Papworth and I'm running a workshop on artificial intelligence like ChatGPT. It's called AI is my CoPilot, and we'll go through how AI can become the most intelligent, the hardest working, the most competent job share colleague you'll ever have. But seriously, we'll talk about how to implement generative AI specifically into your business or into your job, and when not to do that. SEO, be careful. How most jobs will change due to AI and how to change with it. What jobs will be lost and which ones will be gained. What are the prompts and modifiers to get better results from ChatGPT or Midjourney or similar generative AI? I know that the API is fairly new, but I want to talk about how OpenAI's API integrates with customer relationship management systems, CRMs, invoicing and account systems, email, note-taking, Google Docs, so that when you open up your business systems, your new AI colleague is sitting there waiting for you to help you. There's a big change coming to AI at the end of 2023, and it's going to radically change economies, industries, education, government, you name it. We'll spend a little bit of time preparing for that. If you're interested, please go to laurelpapworth.com. I also have videos on my website, on my YouTube, on my LinkedIn, so you can join me there as well. I often run workshops at events and conferences, so I hope to meet you human to human sometime soon. Thank you.